Every car we work on becomes part of our story. A story of achievements and mistakes, bold decisions and dreams that never came true. At Just Wrapp DXB, we don't copy, we create. Every project is an original. Every line is precise. Every idea is lived through. We opened our studio because we had no other choice. The number of projects kept growing, and other people's spaces became too small. We found a location, invested in it, built it out. And then, at the last moment, everything collapsed. The walls we poured our soul and money into didn't end up being ours. It was a heavy blow. But not the end. We didn't give up. And we opened anyway. With our own hands. From scratch, in a new place. Even better than before. Now we have a space fully dedicated to the craft, where the air conditioning, lighting, and every tool is tuned for quality, where nothing distracts, and creativity flows freely. Here, technology is an extension of us, one of only 3 10-color printers in Dubai, direct-to-film and direct-to-garment printing, sublimation, printing on film, mugs, fabrics, a premium plotter and precision lamination. We print on everything, from cars to accessories. We have no competition. While others imitate, we innovate. While others chase volume, we choose depth. Every project is an art piece. Every task, a challenge. Barbara is a visionary. She sees graphics and geometry. She doesn't just design beautiful things. She makes design live in harmony with a car's unique body shape. Yakov started working with wraps over 17 years ago. Back when the Chinese had just invented them, he was already applying them. He knows every material inside out, because he grew up with them. The team isn't just hired help, it's family. They've been with us since the very beginning. We train them, share our experience, and grow together. We're not afraid of risk, not afraid to start over, not afraid of complex tasks or unconventional solutions, because what matters most in the end is your emotion. Come visit us. Let's connect. We're always open to questions, conversations, and collaboration.